Guys, here is a chart. We have marked these two levels. If this levels broke, we are shorting the market. If this broke, we are going long. Even though it's expiry, today I expect some volatile move. We can mark this important level. It is yesterday's low. Guys, you can see right now we have entered the trade. If you look into the chart, after its closing, it had a small pullback. Here is where we have entered. Since today is the expiry, we are shorting the call. 15,950 call, we have shorted it. 15,950. If today's Nifty doesn't go above this, it will totally become zero. This 44 will totally become zero if it doesn't go above 15,950. Our stop loss is somewhere here, guys. Somewhere here, or let's wait until here. Since this candle was very huge, I didn't enter here. I entered almost from here, but still it had recovered very good. Maybe I should have waited until here. Let's see. Coming to the bank nifty, it also looks bearish. A huge selling pressure candle, guys. Guys, as you can see, there is a close on this level, so I went shorted the put over here just to reduce my losses. I have shorted 15,900 put. Yes, this moves very volatilely. I'm holding on my call sell positions, whatever it may be. If this comes over here, I will be exiting it. This closes over here, I will be exiting my put with a loss only. This is how you need to be very active, because this is my trend line. I follow it very cautiously. Yeah, otherwise I would have made a loss about 300 rupees. You should also properly time the market, and at the right point of time, you should also sell your puts, because may lead into losses. Loss. You're not selling until the put goes to this. Guys, the only reason that it broke this line is almost 1.5% Nifty fell. So it's just there is some little bit of profit booking. Let's see whether it will continue to go up or not. Still, I am not exiting my put, even though it's going into the losses, because it's staying above this line. It needs to close below this line. May touch this line and it may again shoot. If again it shoots, we could not take a new entry, because it will consider into new brokerage, new order. So hence we make net losses so much. Let's wait until this level. If this level gets broken, then only we are cancelling out the put and continuing our call for the rest of the day. Let's see. Not, but anything can happen. Any this huge candle comes in, it will easily make a loss of about 1000 rupees in puts. Just be careful, very active, cancelling that as soon as it down below this. Puts will be very volatile, guys. You just trade very carefully. In no matter of second, will be 1,000 rupees loss. I have exited it, guys. So I have exited with the loss of 325 rupees, as you can see. Probably I would have stick to my stop loss somewhere here, but no, it can have a huge move like this. That's what happened in yesterday's. I just didn't notice this. 10 minutes, 15 minutes candle. I just didn't notice this because look at this. It needs to be broken if you want to go long. It's always a better choice to exit this put because it could lead into heavy losses. From 325, it could have now gone up to nearly 500 rupees. It's always better to exit. Now I feel like revising my stop loss somewhere here, 15,950. Guys, today this level is breaking like something else. I didn't expect today to be like this. It's, it is testing a lot. See if you have seen yesterday's level, the same level. Look here, it just got broken. There was a little retestments. You should have entered over here. Look at this. Good move. It respected these levels. But today it's dancing on this level. I don't know today. It is just taking the 15 minutes low as today's some resistance. Let's see. If 15 minutes low was broken, we might expect the Nifty to go up to 15,934, which is 5 minutes low, or at this point at 15,960. Since it had a very huge fall day, there are a lot many of sellers over here, over here, over here. Let's see. At probably somewhere here, but the market is still right up above me. But my loss, look at my losses. I'm still in the profit. This is how delta and time factor comes into play. Guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a very professional trader. Uh, I'm just testing out my strategies with one lot. I'm not a very professional trader. Please don't follow me. You know, this is just for an educational purpose. Yes, I feel like entering put again. I'm entering with a double quantity. Entered. Entered the puts. Looking bad. It's looking bad. Good to go. Some 5 points, 3 points. Making it worse. So we exited at 200. guys, for me it shouldn't stay above this line. uh, if it doesn't go above this, it makes me confident uh, to still stay in the trade. Here we'll have a good decay premium because of this huge red candle. Let's see if it can at least make a way until 15,850. Just that it shouldn't be above this line. It need a strong closing below this. Guys, instead of shorting the calls, if you have bought the put, we would have made more money than this. But it will be riskier. uh, you could at the same time lost so much of money. Instead of losing less money, uh, you would have lost so much, if this takes as a support, then it's again going to have a good move. Let's see whether it takes a support or not. If it doesn't take a support, it comes somewhere here, we are going to exit our trade as per our risk reward. We had made about 1000 rupees, because since it is an expiry, uh, no, anything can happen. We can have a sudden reversal. See, yesterday it had a huge fall, but it had a sudden reversal. So we should just be careful. It is a zone, it can reverse from here, but I am willing to take some risk. I'd be exiting my call only after it goes above this. Let's see. Let me exit it. I have exited exactly 1250. Now I am not worried. Market again shoots up. But what I can say is it is a perfect sell entry. If this candle retraces back here, and if it again make some bearish candle somewhere here, it's just a perfect sell entry, guys. Every day, for me, every day is a learning lesson from the stock market, because I'm not a pro trader. I'm just a new beginner, like many of you. I am trying to learn new strategies. It is just a pure price action, and that's it, guys, for today. Have a nice day.